What if Amber Heard can't pay Johnny Depp's damages? What can be the worst legal punishment for her? And what Johnny Depp's attorneys say about seizing Amber's property if she is unable to pay the damages? And how much money does she have? Let's find out in this video. Getting the judgment is one thing, getting the money is a whole separate thing, says legal analyst Emily D. Baker. A 7-member jury in the Virginia court recently ruled in favor of actor Johnny Depp in his defamation lawsuit. The jury has found Depp's ex-wife Amber Heard guilty of defaming the Pirates of the Caribbean star and ordered the Amber to pay $15 million in damages. The judge reduced the $15 million awarded to Depp to $10.35 million, based on a Virginia state law that limits punitive damages, and Heard was awarded $2 million in damages in her defamation countersuit. If Heard and Depp's damages are netted against each other, Heard will have to pay Depp a total of $8.35 million in damages. Her attorney Elaine Bredhoft said on a TV show after court's decision that Heard's next step is to appeal the verdict.
Want to appeal? Oh, absolutely. And she has some excellent grounds for it.
And confirmed that the actress can absolutely not pay the damages amount.
To pay a $10.4 million judgment? Oh, no, absolutely not.
A source told the New York Post at the time that Heard is broke due to legal fees and her past lavish spending on travel, clothes, gifts, and wine. The newspaper also reported that Heard had to change legal representation during the trial and is using her homeowner's insurance from the insurance firm The Travelers Companies to cover the cost of her current attorneys. Additionally, Bredhoft mentioned in her closing arguments last week that Amber had so far paid more than $6 million in legal costs for the trial. Though the star's net worth is unclear, it is pertinent to mention here that she has earned millions from her work in TV and films such as Aquaman and its sequel. Viewers must also note that Amber has at least 2 upcoming movies that may also provide income. So what happens if Amber Heard can't pay Johnny Depp's damages? Virginia-based appellate lawyer Stephen Amert told the New York Post that one way Depp could collect his damages would be to collect wages on her upcoming movies, Run Away With Me and In the Fire, as well as seize her home in Yucca Valley, California. Heard purchased the 3-bedroom home in 2019 for $570,000 under a private trust in the name of her accountant, according to the New York Post. The home is currently valued at $1 million. Depp could also serve her with a summons, where the Amber will be summoned to come to a court and Depp's lawyer would get to ask her questions saying what property, real estate, vehicles does she own, what jewelry and art collections she has, and anything else that they could use to grab and sell at auction to try to pay off the money. Given that Heard is worth $8 million, according to Celebrity Net Worth, it's possible that she may not be able to immediately afford to pay Depp the total $10.35 million in damages. Now, what Johnny Depp's lawyers said about Amber Heard not being able to pay. Throughout the course of the defamation trial in Virginia, Johnny Depp and his legal team insisted that their case wasn't ultimately about money. Then again, we also learned about the financial issues the actor might be going through. Depp's pair of lawyers recently appeared in an interview to speak about the verdict, with Ben Chu asked whether or not they're actually pursuing the $10 million. He said, "We both, me and Camille, made clear in our respective closings, this was never about money for Mr. Depp. This was about restoring his reputation, and he's done that." Interesting. It looks like it's ultimately Johnny Depp and his lawyer's decision on whether or not to pursue the $10 million sum from Amber Heard. This could even include seizing her home. What do you think if Johnny Depp will forgive to take money from her ex-wife? Comment down below. Please like this video and subscribe to the info bin. It will be the great support for us. Thanks for watching.